Welcome back. You're watching the fourth match in round one of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2021. The scores are Little London Primary on 13 points and Ardenne Prep on 7 points. Let's now go to the final challenge. In this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams, with the first to press the buzzer earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams will earn 2 points for each correct answer, but lose 2 if the answer is incorrect. The team pressing the buzzer has 5 seconds to answer. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's see that time on our Guardian Achiever clock. It's there, so let's begin section 3. Teams, all the best. We begin with local affairs. It's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Little London.
Favor Williams.
Minister of Education, that's correct. Sports. In which racket sport is the Wimbledon tournament one of the major tournaments? It's lawn tennis. Bible knowledge. Who was chosen to replace Judas after he betrayed Jesus? Little London.
Matthias.
That's correct. Science. Is the papillae found in the upper surface, side, or back of the human tongue? Ardenne?
Is it the upper surface?
That's correct. English language, form an abstract noun from the word generous. Little London.
Generosity. Generosity.
That's right. Music. Which international male singer recorded the song Yummy? Ardenne Prep.
Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber.
That's correct. General knowledge. Give the exact date when the calendar will show February 29 again. It's February 29, 2024. Theatre and cinema. Teams, it's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify the actress. She's Jada Pinkett Smith. Mathematics. What's the place value of 5 in the following? 4, 6, 5, 8, 2. Ardenne?
Is it 500?
58261. It's actually 10,000s. That's incorrect. Social studies. Nelson's Dockyard in English Harbor is located in which Caribbean country? It's Antigua and Barbuda. Television. Who plays the role of Styles in the television drama Teen Wolf? It's Dylan O'Brien. Sports, a visual question. Teams, look at the monitor and identify this international tennis star. He's Rafael Nadal. Bible knowledge. What are the first and fifth books of Moses, or the Pentateuch, in the Bible? It's Genesis and Deuteronomy. Science. What's the name of the atmospheric temperature at which water vapor begins to condense and form dew? Ardenne.
Is it condensation?
No, it's dew point. That's incorrect. English language. Identify the common nouns in this sentence. Mark went to the museum in Spain to look at a painting. Ardenne.
Museum.
That's incorrect. It's museum and painting. Music. Who recorded the hit single, There's Nothing Holding Me Back? Shawn Mendes. General knowledge. In which country was the coronavirus first detected in December 20... Little London?
China. China.
In December 2019, China is correct. Local affairs. The JUTC is the local bus company. What does Little London, primary?
Jamaica Urban Transit Company.
What does it stand for? That is correct. Mathematics. Which number is... And that bell signifies the end of the match, so we won't even have time to go into that answer. That's the end of the match. The final scores are Little London Primary on 23 points and Ardenne Prep on 5 points. Congratulations, Little London Primary, and great effort to you, Ardenne Prep. We'll double check these scores and be right back after this.